So here she is, little barn camper, tiny house, Bardo. Didn't start out this way, but it turned out this way. So you'll see. New project. I used my little utility trailer to build a bunkie camper insert. So it's supposed to be two individual beds, so that two unrelated people can sleep in it, so to speak. I usually don't like using particle board, but my husband got some left over from a project, and what I did is I put a layer of weatherproof wood glue on, let it dry, and it goes into the cracks, and then I put some oil paint on. And this is actually an old-fashioned porch and floor oil paint. Okay, here we are after 8 months of not doing anything. Work has continued on my little trailer, and change of plans. Where I first wanted a door there and kind of like a shed roof on top and so on, I changed my mind. I have been talked out of my last two gypsy wagons, and I want one for myself. So it's gonna be a wagon. And yes, I know that window is in the wrong side, but I got it for cheaper because the seal is broken on the outside, so that's why I flipped it around, and I will seal the inside, and that's gonna be just fine. I've done it before, it works. And the door will go right here. Excuse my fingers, I have been working. So we have the bed in. I'm just building up from here. There are some pot lids I converted into, or will convert into, windows, and it will be kind of like a gothic or a bow top. We'll see. Now, right now I'm having a bit of an overhang here, so we're going squeezing out more space, and I did my supports with those bookshelves there, but they're not carrying the whole weight anyways, because the roof will be self-supporting and keeping everything together. Okay, that's where we are. Onwards and upwards. Update on my project. So it was supposed to be a little Bardo bow top, but it happened to look more like a barn. That's okay, I like it actually, it's cute. Okay, so that's my window in, and that's the door. In case why you're wondering, my stuff looks a little bit weird and mixed and matched materials, because I'm using up all my offcuts. So yes, it is all made from offcuts and leftover pieces, and that's probably the only way I can afford to build it all anymore. So yeah, there's my little barn roof, barn side wall, and it will have a really super tough heavy duty tarp on, so, and also an inside liner, so all my little foam there, it will not be visible. And I have the two little windows for there, the ones made from pot lids, and this is the upper bunk, and it turned out that was just 6 feet. So because of my overhang here, that's okay. First I thought, you know, it would be one where you have to just crunch yourself up, but you don't. Okay, and then we have the lower bench here, which will, the front piece still needs to be constructed, but that's okay. All good time. Just done putting in the windows. So the one in the door you already saw, and this is the one in the back. And it's not so much for looking out there, it's more like for air circulation, because in the summer, you know, that has to be open so it can flow straight through. And I will put some mosquito netting on the outside. And here we are, 95% finished as usual. The cedar trim I will still have to paint. I know cedar looks nice, but it's better if it has some kind of protection. Yay. So we have a lower bunk, and I arranged it this way so that two unrelated people could actually sleep in it. And we have the upper bunk, and there's the other 5% there, or 3.5%. So I'll have to put the windows in. But they're finished. It's just a matter of installing them. So, and as you can see, I have an inner liner, which is the shower curtains. Shower curtains are such a great product. You can make so much stuff with it, and it withstands the humidity in the winter, right? So I like my little jungle here. A little detail there. Finally found a spot for that. And my trusty boat windows installed in the door. And here you can see that this actually started out as a closet door from an old RV. And I extended it. And just like the rest of the trailer, is all made of leftover pieces, found pieces, given free stuff, like that cool rock vinyl there on the walls. And that's how I roll. Got a little table counter there. I still have to varnish. And then underneath, another window. And it helps quite a lot with having some air circulation going in the summer, keeping it nice and cool. And that's another benefit of this basically covered wagon style, because they do stay cooler in the summer. They don't absorb the heat as much as a regular RV or even kind of like a tiny house. On the walls, as again, I covered it with some vinyl. Looks pretty cool. Went fast. Love that. I also love my rug. It's not a real deer, but I got it from some flash blowout sale, because apparently even as an artificial deer rug, it didn't sell very well. I don't mind. I love it. I like deer meat too, so by the way. Okay. So yeah, this is a little barn camper. Thanks for watching.